Activity 3. My name is Jenny Martinez. I am studying Manuela Beltrán University. I live in Bogota. The inhabitants of Bogota number 6,800,000 people. I has a total area of 1,776 kilometers and the urban area of the 107 kilometers. Bogota is characterized by a moderately cool climate with an average of about for the thin sea. In Bogota, there are 2,242 education institutions, 3,086 districts, 10 of special regiment, and 1,846 of private character. Lack awareness is not a problem directly related to man us and is solely begin, but with his development, why a culture. Bogota, which will be the city the large operating, Wi-Fi projected complex corresponding to the Eden Shopping Center, the Dream Big Square, Usaquén Square, Claro Square, and New Fashion. But addition to the Bogota Book Fair that features the first Cartagena Classic Music Festival from January 4th, 40, Bogota will become the first city in Latin America and the Caribbean to host of the meeting of UNESCO this year by hosting the Committee for the Safeguarding of Intangible Cultural Heritage. Thank you.